Okay, okay. Let me ask you one
Yeah.
question. TM,
Yeah.
what do you what is the best quality you like from Obama? As far as I know, he is a very good president as well as a good human being. So, what do you like about him?
He is very good. I like when he was in office, he gave everyone free health care who could not afford it. He deported criminals only. Like Trump right now, he deporting everyone.
Oh, okay.
But Obama deport criminal only. Like he do so much. He do so much good thing.
That's good.
We
That's
laugh.
really cool because that's why I think he
We
got
laugh.
Nobel Prize for peace. I think.
We laugh.
I too. I
We
love
laugh.
him. I love him because he is a great orator. He speak really good. I like his speaking style. Really.
Yeah, me too. What do you do for a living, Ajit?
I am a teacher.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
what do you teach?
I
what do you
teach
teach?
English and SST, social study.
Social study?
Yeah.
Oh,
History,
okay.
geography, political science, and all those topics.
Ah, that's good.
I like history. History really good.
Really?
Really? I also
Tell
love the
tell me
history.
something about your country history. I mean, about disclose little bit about your history, about your country history.
What do you want to know?
About
There's
the
too much
30.
history. You
I'm
have
not
to
talking
tell
about
me.
seven. I'm talking about 13 colony. What do you know about it?
13 colony.
13 colony was there, right?
What do you mean? Huh?
13 colony was there in the time of American, revolution. The
Like
time of
American independence, colony. Yeah, that's the
13
history
colony was
part.
there in the time of American revolution.
Yeah,
So have
revolution.
you have you
The,
idea?
What do you know about it?
As far as I know, there was a time when in 17th century America got freedom, and that time there was 13 colony in America. Okay, apart from there was no any such states. But after so many years, there are, I think, 50 states are there. Am I not wrong?
Hi,
I
yeah,
guess it's right.
How many states are there now in America?
40,
50.
Sorry, 50, right?
50, sorry.
Yes, 50. But earlier it was
50.
13 colony. I mean, 13 state was there in the eastern
Yeah.
part of America, but now it was almost 50. I think. Am I
Hmm.
wrong or am I right? I don't know exactly.
Yeah, I also don't know exactly, but I guess it's right because I watched the history class
Hmm.
about America.
Yes, I
Yeah,
too. I because
but I
I'm a
forgot.
history teacher, so I generally go through it now and then.
Yeah,
American history,
yeah, you need to know that.
Russian history, and so on.